Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Lady Muk Mahachi. Thank you for tuning in. If you want to head straight to the music, please feel free to fast forward because I'm going to take about a minute of your time just to give a bit of background. See, we are here, we're having a good time, we are dancing. It was a great day. Now moving on, if you've seen my previous performances, we'll see a slight difference in demeanor between this one and the previous ones. And all I will say is,
but I heard that. They will hurt you. Oh, no.
I was asked to perform like last minute. I remember I had a cold. I didn't even have the resonator for my mbira. And I was just so afraid that my voice would crack on stage. Imagine the horror. But it turned out to be an enjoyable experience. You see, we had a great time and the audience was incredibly supportive. The performance was in two parts. The first one is this one, somewhat of an original. And the second one is Africa Unite, which is so appropriate for the day. Africa Unite. Let us get down to business together, okay? Without further ado, here is the performance.
Hi guys, my name is Mahachi from Zimbabwe and I have with me mbira, which is a traditional instrument from my country. Woo! So this song is a mixture of things, just spontaneous. Yeah, as the spirit leads. Enjoy. You, baby, it's touched me deep inside. I can't explain it to you. No matter how much I try to stay away, I know that it's in vain. I shall never be the same. Ooh, I'm on the way. Oh yeah, Mauya kuZimbabwe, Mauya kuzoona vana vefunaka. Oh yeah, yeah, yaona.
Wow, that was so nice.
Thank you. Okay, then the last one is Bob Marley, Africa Unite. I'm hoping most of you know it so we can just sing along and, close off. boys got it